like to know what machine learning is but you don't know where to start? And would you like to learn more about the societal challenges of machine learning?
Then this course is for you. This hands-on course in machine learning, maths and ethics teaches you about the foundations of machine learning in an intuitive way. With a heavy focus on exercises and examples, this course allows you to develop practical machine learning skills while stimulating your critical thinking on ethics of machine learning models.
Although the fields of computer science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are changing the world, the truth is that girls and women are still underrepresented in these fields. Thus, we expect this MOOC to be a meaningful learning opportunity to empower young people, especially young women, to follow these areas of expertise.
This course was developed within the Erasmus Plus Fostum project, a project that aims to promote full and equal access for young women in STEM.
Are you going to miss the opportunity to learn a technology that is transforming the world?